आजाद हूँ, मैं उड़ता पंछी आजाद हूँ, ना कोई बंदिश आजाद हूँ, भारत है मेरा नाम।
इस धरती पर जन्मे हो तुम, ये तुम पर एक कर्ज है, इसे बचाने कोई आएगा नहीं दोस्तों, ये सिर्फ मेरा तुम्हारा फर्ज है। हमारे अंदर जो आग दहक रही है, उसे बाहर हमें लाना है। जिस जन्नत में जन्मे थे हम, उसे फिर से जन्नत बनाना है। नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। Here's a heartily welcome, big and warm to you all. Let's introduce myself. My name is Mahi and I am currently pursuing my graduation from Kanpur. Now without wasting time, let's start the video. First, I wanna clear you all. I made this video to aware each of us our responsibilities as a human being. Because before you call yourself a Christian, Buddhist, Muslim, Hindu or any other theology, learn to be human first. Dear future generations, I think I speak for the rest of us when I say sorry. Sorry we left with a mess of a planet. Sorry that we were caught up in our own doings to do something. Sorry we listened to people who made excuses to do nothing. I hope you forgive us. I hope you forgive us. We just don't realize how special the earth was, like a marriage gone wrong. We didn't know what we had until it was gone. We need to feel responsible for how we left the land for the next 7 generations, which brings me great sorrow because most of us today don't even care about tomorrow. I'm sorry that we put profit above people, greed above need, the rule of gold above the golden rule. I'm sorry we use nature as a credit card with no spending limit over. I'm sorry we are stealing your chance to ever see the uniqueness of nature or become friends with animals. I'm sorry we poison the ocean so much that you can't even swim in them. But most of all, I'm sorry about our mindset because we had the nerve to cause this destruction. That's progress. I'm sorry if you don't think climate change is a threat. I dare you to interview the thousands of homeless people in Bangladesh. I am sorry, future generations. I am sorry that our footprint become a sinkhole and not a garden. I am sorry that we paid so much attention to money. I am sorry we doomed you, and I am sorry we couldn't find another planet and time to move. You know what cut the beat? I am not sorry. This future I do not accept it because an error does not become a mistake until you refuse to correct it. Let me suggest, if a farmer sees a tree that is unhealthy, then they don't look at the branches to diagnose it. They look at the root. So like that farmer, we must look at the root and not to the branches of government and politicians. You need to be clear. It should not government's responsibility to build a toilet in 1.25 billion homes. Let you know, by becoming rich, we will not be healthy and happy ever. We will be healthy, happy and wealthy when we understand our wealth is our resources which are billions. कहा गया है, करना होगा तुम्हें उस रोटी से ही बिस्मिल्लाह, उन कागज के टुकड़ों से तुम्हारी भूख न मिटेगी. You know, in this contemporary world, we are at the perfect age to evaluate something great. In simple, this is the time to awake ourselves and others of our daily duties to take care of our planet. We must globally warm our hearts and change the climate of our soul and realize that we are not apart from nature. So stop blaming others and start believing that you can do it your own. This is not just a video. It's a plenty message by our Mother Earth. So watch my videos to understand the mess of our planet and their basic solutions which we can do in our lifetime to make our Mother Earth happy. Well said by Missile Man of India.
What the major strength of India? You guys, that is 600 million youth. Major strength of India, 600 million youth. Okay?
Aware yourself by watching my videos and make others aware too. Hit the bell icon, add your little bit and be the part of this revolution. Dedicated to my two mothers. First, my Mother Earth. Second, my lovely mum.